Well, greetings and salutations, everyone. My name's Mike. I'm the owner of Urban Automotive in Oakville, Ontario, 886 Winston Churchill Boulevard. Today, July 3rd, marks a milestone in my life. I'm the proud owner of Urban Automotive officially today for 20 years. Hard to believe. 2004. We started with the humble beginnings of a 3-bay repair shop and gas bar on Maple Grove Drive. Took over the business from a well-established family-run business that was already in existence for 40 years. Um, Over the past 20 years, we've seen our fair share of incidents. It's been an exciting and not uneventful 20 years of running a business from let's see, being robbed, being broken into, 3 instances where individuals drove off with the fuel nozzle still attached to their vehicle. One incident where we put regular fuel into a diesel-powered vehicle, to a literal fist fight at the gas bar with one of our staff and patrons. Literally fist fight. Yes, it happened. We have seen it all. We have done it all in the 20 years. We've employed over 100 individuals, and most of them being from the gas bar. And I'm proud to say that a lot of these individuals have stayed in contact over the years. Many of them still have their vehicles repaired by us, which speaks volumes about our business and the relationships that we've built. Um, I'm very thankful for all of the support that we've received from the community. Obviously, we now have over 3,000 families that come to us and growing, which is really unbelievable. Um, Many of you are third generation, uh, which is both humbling and bizarre. Um, Simply because I try to establish meaningful relationships with every one of my clients and know their stories, know their families, know their vehicles, and yeah, it's it's honestly humbling and crazy. But this success was not built alone. Over the years, many individuals have helped support and grow our business through the quality work that we've produced in building the reputation that we have for putting out good quality work and great customer service. Um, there's too many to mention, but I would like to mention my team as it exists now. From my right hand man, Derek Elliott, my second in command, who has embraced my vision, my my passion for my business from day one. He is an individual that grasps the leadership role and understands the importance of customer service being first and foremost. And the customers are not just the external customers, but also our internal customers in the way he handles and addresses our team. Um, Thank you to Derek for your support. Then, of course, we have Andrew Douglas, my rock. Uh, 16 years being with me, a long time. I have you to be thankful. I've to be thankful for you for being my support over the past 16 years, largely on your knowledge and ability. We have helped. You have helped build this business and grow this business from that. So to Andrew, I say thank you. Um, Mark Borges, leaving your work of 21 years to come take a chance with Urban Automotive um, means so much. We are so thankful for having you as a team member, not only for your knowledge and your ability, but for your understanding of teamwork, camaraderie, and fellowship. Um, you are often the wind beneath my wings and making me laugh on a daily basis, and the support that you have for all of us here is appreciated. Claire Hawkins, everyone knows Claire, our young female uh, senior apprentice, soon to be junior technician. Claire, your story of shattering the glass ceiling of expectation in a male dominated industry is second to none. You are going to forge forward and create your own pathway and your own dreams, kid. And we're here for you, and we're thankful for you. Daniel Brown, another apprentice of ours. Dan brings it every day and is always pushing us forward, is always questioning the boundaries and what we can do, and is there to support every single one of us on a daily basis. And for that, Daniel, I'm thankful, and you too have a bright future ahead of you. James Sullivan, last but not least of our apprentices and technicians. James is very passionate about learning, much like myself. I reflect back on the days of when I was an apprentice and asking questions and wanting to learn and know the whys. James is very passionate, knowledgeable, and is growing, and he too is going to be a fantastic technician once he's completed his training. Um, Christopher DeCosmo, our customer experience specialist, asked me a profound question last week of why I do what I do. Chris sees the behind the scenes, much like Derek, um, knows what's the burden that I carry and what I have to shoulder as a business owner and mentor. Um, and it comes down to I brought him over to our mission statement. And the first line reads, "The satisfaction of our customers is what drives us." And I said, that is what gets me up every single day to come, regardless of the situation, regardless of what the problem is of the day. Um, we resolve it and we move on and we make sure that whoever we're dealing with leaves happy and is satisfied. And that is the real secret behind my 20-year overnight success, as I call it. Um, and we have seen many changes over the years, many supporters over the years, but there is one supporter that has been a constant for me over these past 20 years, and of course, that's my wife, Amy Lynn. So, to Amy, I thank you for being my support, believing in me more than I ever could, listening to my heartaches, dealing with my emotions, and helping me address our business to be the success that it is. Um, for all of our suppliers, all of our clients, I want to say thank you for the support over the past 20 years, and I hope to continue to build on these relationships for the next 20. I never had a doubt that we would be successful in the 20 years. I never had a doubt that we would make it to 20 years. I just didn't think it would happen that fast. So, to everyone, I wish you a great day. We will continue the celebrations over the course of the month. I'll be posting some things here on Facebook, some pictures, but I thought it was important to mark this milestone, take a moment of the day to reach out to all of you with a thank you. And some people say I should write a book. Well, I did. You ought to know. Available on Amazon. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon.